How to stop payment on a check using Discover Bank desktop banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you wrote a check by mistake, well here is how to stop payment on it using Discover Bank desktop banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, from your account dashboard, you can select your checking account. And there, once you have selected it, you can go to account services or manage checks and then choose stop payment. And there you have to enter the check number, amount and the payee details to identify the check. And after that, you just have to review the information carefully and then click submit or confirm to place the stop payment. And that's it. Once you do that, you will see a confirmation message and the check will no longer clear. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.